Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen. Wassalatu wassalamu ala nabiyyina Muhammadin wa ala alihi wa sahbihi ajma'in. Amma ba'd, fa'awzu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Rabbi ishrah li sadri wa yassir li amri wahlul 'uqdatam min lisani yafqahu qawli. Rabbi zidni ilman ajma'in, inshallah. May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala increase in all of us knowledge. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Welcome to this session, dear brothers and sisters. Two things are being accomplished here. Number one, we will finish book 2 today, which is to me, it's a very big achievement on your part and to some extent on my part that we completed book 2. And you all should be congratulated for your hard work and your dedication to come every Saturday and learn Madina book 1 and 2. So we are going to complete the second book today. It's only one lesson left. And then we will begin our journey on a new threshold, and that is to prepare ourselves to study book 3. But a lot of things are needed on our part to study book 3, because there are some essentials to learn before we venture into Madina book 3. Part 1. You might be surprised why I am saying all these things, because book 3 is different, very different, and the way it is set up, there's a lot of responsibility on the shoulder of the teacher to explain things that are coming later in book 3, but we have to learn them now to understand all the initial stages of preparation to enter into book 3. And I'll explain you once we finish the last lesson of book 2, inshallah. The last lesson is very interesting, and in lesson number 30, we did jewels, which that subject was not touched by Dr. Abdurrahim before. And now, according to Dr. Abdurrahim's vision, he is bringing adjective into the last lesson of book 2, adjectives, So here are we, my brothers and sisters. Adjectives. In this lesson, we learn the adjectives. In Arabic, the adjective is called naat, and the noun it qualifies is called man'ut, naat and man'ut. The naat follows the man'ut and agrees with it in the following 4 things. Important, in being definite and indefinite. Okay. Number 2, in the case, when you say case, it means is the naat and man'ut agree in they are being marfu or mansub or majroor. So we have to check that out. And in numbers, also in numbers, singular, dual, and plural. And in gender, yes, masculine and feminine. That's it. So this is what we have to understand. And here It is something, we start from the first one. That not follows and agrees the man'ut. Follows the man'ut and agrees with it. Huh? Not follows man'ut and agrees with it in the following four things, you know. Haza, see now let us see here. Haza kitabun jadidun. Look at it. Kitabun jadidun. It is indefinite, so they are following each other in being indefinite. Kitabun is man'ut. Jadidun is the not. Al-kitabu, al-jadidu, sahlan. So here, the man'ut is al-kitabu, and al-jadidu is the not. Now you see here, they were both indefinite, but they were both marfu. They were both marfu, they were indefinite, and they are masculine. Did you get the idea? Same thing here. They are definite, and they are masculine, and they are marfu. Okay, they are marfu, and they are singular, number, singular. Kitabun, one book. Al-kitabu, the book. So all these four conditions are applying there. I would like you to check it in this lesson, everything. Now we come to the case ending. Case ending is al-mudarrisu, al-jadidu. See, this is the case ending. Al-mudarrisu, al-jadidu, they match each other. Also, they match in being definite. Also, they match in being masculine. And also, they match in gender, masculine, yes. Singular in number, case, bun, bu, yes. And definite, this is definite. This is indefinite, they match. That's the way we should try to figure out. And inshallah, if you follow me and understand it, you will enjoy the lesson. And every time we will study Quran, you will see all these things coming. Quran, my dear brothers and sisters, is the book of guidance, but also it is a book that teaches us the language, that teaches us the rules of the language. Quran is teaching us the rules of the language. All the rules of the language are derived from the Quran. That is incredible, my brothers and sisters. That is really incredible. Now, here we are in number 2. Al-mudarrisu, al-jadidu, we got it. Saltu, al-mudarrisa, al-jadida. See now here, al-mudarrisa, al-jadida. See, mansub. They are both mansub. And they both have alif lam. And they are both masculine. And they are both singular. So next one, kultu lil mudarrisi al-jadidi. I said to the teacher, the new teacher, lil mudarrisi, see, both are majrur. They are both have alif lam, definite. They are masculine, and they are singular number. All these 4 cases, definite, indefinite, case, number, gender, everything will match. You will see it, inshallah. Now we come to the third one in number. Li akhun kabirun. See, singular. Akhun kabirun. So it matches, it is indefinite, and then it matches being masculine, and then it matches being marfu, and then it matches being, yeah, I think I said everything. Definite, indefinite, they are both indefinite, and they are, it's case ending is marfu, and then it's singular, and then it's masculine. All these things are there. Now come to dual. Bilalun nahu akhwani kabirani. Bilalun lahu akhwani kabirani. Dual. Okay. Akhwani kabirani. Case ending. Okay. Dual, dual. Indefinite, indefinite. Masculine, masculine. Plural. Hamidun lahu ikhwatun kibarun. Hamid has older brothers. Hamid has older brothers. To Hamid, there are older brothers. Ikhwatun kibarun. They both match, see? And then both are indefinite, both are marfu, both are masculine. So it matches in everything. Now we come to the gender. Li akhun kabirun, gender, masculine. But apart from masculine, they are both marfu, they are both indefinite, and they are marfu, indefinite, and they are masculine, and they have case ending, same thing, Wa ukhtun sagiratun. He has an older brother and a younger sister. Ukhtun, muannas, sagiratun, definite, no, indefinite, indefinite, and singular, marfu, marfu. It matches. Did you see how it matches? So inshallah, you will remember. And I was trying to prepare a song for this, but I don't think I polished myself. Inshallah, next time I'll sing the song, which has got all these things incorporated into the song. Next time, inshallah. Now we go to the main lesson. Be ready. What we studied, be ready. I'm going to go through it in a detail here. Adarsu Hadi Al-Hadi wa Salasuna. 31, lesson 31. The Naat follows and agrees with the Manut. So I have written all these 4 things here, being definite, indefinite, case endings, number, and gender. So watch for it, in everything that we read. See, I'm doing it in a very detailed way. I don't think I have done this so much in detailed way, but I think you are all very strong and you are all very intelligent. So I thought I should do it in a different way. Aina Talibani Al-Jadidani. See, Al-Talibani, Al-Jadidani. Where are the 2 new students? Now, let us see, are they all matching there? Al-Talibani, Al-Talibani, fine. This is marfu. What is the sign of its marfu? I don't see dhamma here. That is dual. The sign is the alif. That is the sign of its being marfu. Al-Talibani, so this is also marfu. Al-Jadidani. and then both have al, they are dual, and they are masculine. Did you see all four things came here? Huma fil maktabati, they are in the library. Zahaba, they went, two of them. Where is the file of Zahaba? Alif Musanna. This is the file. Alif Musanna. This is the file. Huma fil maktabati Zahaba liyakhudha. Liyakhudha. Al-kutaba. Al-kutuba. Al-kutuba. Al-mukarraratu. Mukarraratu. What is the meaning of this, brother? Al-kutuba, this is plural, and this is not. Kulu jama muannas, it matches because this is also kulu jama muannas, so the not has to be muannas. Al-kutuba, al-mukarrarata, see, matches. Kulu jama muannas. They went to pick up al-kutub al-mukarraratu, means the prescribed textbooks or the course books, Fine. Here is something else. I want you to pay attention. I will tend to repeat and revise everything that has come in before. Li, what is li? Lamu ta'lil. After lamu ta'lil, there is always an unmudmara, unhidden. Li yakhudha, who made the yakhudha mansub? Who made it mansub? It is the unmudmara. So what was actually yakhudhani? Yakhudhani. But when an came, the noon went away. Liyakhudha. Liyakhudha. Did you get the idea? Liyakhudha, to pick up. They went to pick up. This is maf'ulun bihi for yakhudha. This is the not for the. So liyakhudha. The teacher is saying, Mata zahaba. When did they go? Okay. Zahaba, they went. Two of them. Where does it say two of them? This Alif Musanna. That tells you it is two of them. Zahaba, they went. Fil hissat al-thaniyati. Fine. See? Fi came, it made the al-hissati majroor. So if this is majroor, the naat has to be majroor. If this has al, the naat has to have al. If this is muannas, the naat has to be muannas. Did you get the idea? Alhamdulillah. They are all there, coming properly, inshallah. And they are singular, they are singular. All four categories, they fit in here. Ya Ustad, uridu an ashtariya mu'jaman. I would like, Ali says to the teacher, I would like to purchase a dictionary. Now here I have all these things I'm repeating. I want you to become strong before we go into book 3. Uridu an ashtariya. Arada yuridu, to wish, to want. Uridu, now it needs maf'ulun bihi. Where is the maf'ulun bihi? Do you see here something mansub as a maf'ulun bihi? I see this is mansub, but that is not a noun. This is mansub, mu'ajaman. Is it uridu mu'ajaman? No, uridu an ashtariya. So this an ashtariya is your masdar mu'awwal. Masdar mu'awwal together. An ashtariya. Ashtari became ashtariya. An ashtariya is your masdar mu'awwal. Fine. That is fi mahalli nasabin maf'ulun bihi for uridu. But then why is this mu'jaman mansub? It is because of the ashtariya mu'jam. Ashtariya mu'jaman. So this is maf'ulun bihi for the verb ashtariya. Ishtara, yashtari, yashtari, tashtari, tashtari, ashtari, nashtari. So ashtari and mu'jaman. Did you get the idea? So in this, there is no not manut here. Oh, here was not manut. No, I'm sorry. Because I could not read it properly. Now there is a not manut. I beg your pardon. See, uridu an ashtariya. So this is your maf'ulun bihi for uridu. Mu'jaman. Ashtariya, mu'jaman, Arabian. Mu'jaman, Arabian. So mu'jaman is mansub, not is mansub, indefinite, indefinite, singular, singular, and it is the case ending. Case ending is there, both mu'jaman, Arabian, and what else? And they are indefinite, indefinite. So all the four conditions, they are fulfilled in being indefinite, being the case ending, mansub, and being in number, yes, singular, one, and in the gender, yes, they are all masculine, mu'jaman, Arabian. Uridu, this is very beautiful. I always feel so very enthralled by the cleverness of Dr. Abdurrahim. The way he sets it, the whole dialogue. He wants to teach it, not manut. There will be not manut in every sentence. And it will have all the four conditions fulfilled. So see here, Uridu an tadullani ala mu'jamin jayyidin. See, ala harf jar, mu'jamin is a majroor, jayyidin is the not, majroor, indefinite, indefinite, masculine, masculine, and majroor, case ending, everything is there. Now, where is the maf'ulun bihi for uridu? So it is an tadulla ni. Tadulla is to show, to advise. I would like you to advise me. He's telling the teacher, Uridu an tadullani, you advise me. I wish you to advise me. And I'm mu'jamin jayyidin. So, an dalla yadullu, yadullu became tadullu, tadullu became tadulla because of an. So this an is harfu nasbin wa mastariyan. And then ni is nunu vikaya. Remember, the noon of protection. If you don't have noon of protection, this ya can ruin the verb. Ya will make this tadulli. No. So noon vikaya came, we brought it, noon vikaya. Whenever ya mutawakkalam will come, you will see it. All over the Quran, you will see it in many places. So we are telling to ya mutakalim, you like to give kasra to anybody who comes next to you. You can give me as many kasra as you want, but I don't want you to ruin the verb. Antadullah. Okay? So then, this is your master muawwal fi mahalli nasbin maf'ulun bihi for uridu. I hope you got the idea, inshallah. Now, Mudar is saying, Ishtari. No, this is Amr. Ishtari. This ya has been dropped. Ishtari, purchase. Al-muajama, al-wasita. This is fi'l amr. We haven't done this properly. We'll do it in the book 3. Everything we'll do it in book 3. But this is fi'l amr. Fi'l amrin, mabniun ala hadfi, harfi illa. This has been dropped. Fa'il mustatir taqdiru anta. You should purchase al-muajama, al-wasita. See here, both are definite. Number 1 condition. Both are mansub, case ending. Number 1 condition. Both are singular. Singular. They are both masculine. They are masculine. See, do you see? I'm defining all 4 forms, Okay, 4 of these things, The naat follows and agrees with the manut. In what way? I wrote it down. In what way? In being definite or indefinite. In case ending, marfu, mansub, majroor. Number, singular, dual, plural. And gender, masculine, feminine. I've written everything and I want to explain you everything. So inshallah, you will have a thorough understanding, اشتري المعجم البسيطة فإنه معجم جيد. See here, mansub, and here marfu, over there it's majroor. فإنه معجم. It is a dictionary. What kind of a dictionary? Very, very beautiful, very helpful in every way. معجم جيد. Excellent dictionary. أريد أن تدلني على معجم جيد. So he's saying فإنه معجم جيد. Everything is matches. معجم singular, singular. Marfu, marfu. Indefinite, indefinite. Masculine, masculine. See. Do you see all the 4 conditions? That is the cleverness and the beauty of Dr. Abdurrahim's method of devising a hivar, dialogue, to include everything that he wants to explain. Ahmad says, Al-Yawma, today, Yantahi, finishes. Intaha, yastahi, will do the verb future. Al-Juz'u Thani. So Al-Juz'u Thani is the file of Yantahi. So that is why it is marfu. Don't worry, because we are not analyzing it, and it won't be possible to analyze it unless we know the verb very well. So don't worry, brother. Al-Juz'u, I can see it is marfu. Fine. And I said it's the file of Yantahi. It's marfu. Fine. So Asani you, it is Sani you, but wow, it cannot be written like Sani you, it's Sani. Okay. Because if you remove alif lam, it will become Sanin. The verb is mankus, It is nakis, made from nakis. Al-Juz'u Sani, they are both matching in al, they are matching in marfu, they are matching in singular, they are matching in gender. Both are masculine. And they are matching in, yes, I think I covered everything. I covered everything. Mata nabda'u, see, oh my goodness. You will never find these things in other books. In other books, everything is mixed up in such a way that you cannot learn Arabic properly, my brother. Only unless you are a very, very clever person. And we are all average persons, so we need something like Madina book to understand. So here we are, my brothers and sisters. Mata nabda'u al-juzu as-thalisa. What is nabda'u, brother? It is coming from, I think I've written it somewhere. Yes, I've written here. Bada'a, to begin. This is where bada'a. Huwa yabda'u, bada'a madi, yabda'u, huma yabda'ani, dual, hum yabda'una, yabda'una. So here we have, what does it say? Mata nabda'u, when are we going to start? Nabda'u, nabda'u. Bada yabda'u, yabda'u, tabda'u, tabda'u, abda'u, nabda'u. So the Ahmad is saying, when are we going to start? We going to start the third part. See, Juz'a asalisa, al, mansub, mansub, number, number, and then yes, all of them are there. Gender, gender is masculine. Mudar is saying, fil usbu'il qadami, next week. He could have said, Nabda'u juzu asalis, inshallah, fil usbu'il qadami. We will begin like that, but it is understood, because fil usbu'il qadam means Nabda'u juzu asalisa, fil usbu'il qadami. So fil usbu'i majroor, qadami majroor, next week, coming week. Qadami means coming week, next week. Al, singular, singular. Majroor, majroor. All the conditions are met here, inshallah. Alhamdulillah. Naqra'u al-yawma. We will read today. What will we read? Al-yawma. Safataini. Al-akhirataini. Again. Incredible. Al-safataini. What is this safataini? Two. Safatani. Safataini. 2 pages. Safataini. Nakra'u. This is the mafulun bihi for nakra'u. Kara'a, yakra'u, nakra'u. We will read al-yawm. This is zarf. Safataini. I hope you can all follow. Because you have been working hard, you should be able to follow. Safataini, 2 pages. Is this mansub? Yes, it is mansub. What is the sign of its mansub? What is the sign of its mansub? Ya. Why? Because it is musanna. The sign of mansub in ya, majrur in ya, is al-musanna. Al-yawma, nakraw al-yawma, safataini, akhirataini. This is the na'at. The last 2 pages, akhirataini. Al. Mansub, mansub. Dual. Did you get the idea? Dual. Number, everything matches. Ending, everything matches here. Definite, everything matches. Definite here, definite here. Minal juz'i athani. Now, min came al-juz'i athani. Athani. So here, brothers and sisters, al-juz'i, case ending, majrur, athani, also majrur, al, and then al, number, matches in number, and in gender also. They are masculine. So that's, alhamdulillah, how we analyze it. I hope you understood. Now we will finish the exercises and then we will start our new session. I'm trying to prepare. I want to speak to you a lot of things, inshallah. Here, brothers and sisters, question and answer. I have written it. I just want you to follow. Aina Zahaba Talibani Al-Jadidani. Where did the two new students go? So Zahaba is a fi'l. We need a file. Where is the file? Talibani. Is this a marfu? Yes. At-Talibani. Why it is marfu bil alif? Because it is musanna. Okay, fine. This is Talibani, Jadidani. This is your nat. Is it matching? Yes. Al. Talibani, number, dual. Marfu. Masculine. Matches in every way. Walima, and why? Dhahaba, they both went ila maktabati liyakhudha al-kutab al-mukarrarata. See? Al-kutab al-mukarrarata. They went to the library to take the prescribed course books, you know. Maza yuridu aliyun an yashtariya. Yuridu aliyun. This is the file of yuridu. Ali is the file of yuridu aliyu an yashtariya. This is Master Mawal. This is a mafulun bihi for yuridu. Yuridu file is mustatir, taqdiru huwa, that is Ali. An yashtariya, this is your mafulun bihi for yuridu, Master Muawal, an yashtariya, and then mujaman, mansub, arbiyan, mansub, singular, this is singular, this is indefinite, and that is a gender, this is masculine. So I'm trying to give you all the four things that you can see in the Naat. This is not difficult. You should not ask yourself, how am I going to do all these things? They are very beautiful. I can only promise you one thing, brothers and sisters, that learning Arabic grammar is very exciting. It's so beautiful. It's fun to learn. It is a joy to learn. It's not dry. You will understand. And overall, it makes our mind think. If we want to think and we want to go in detail into it, you know. Okay. See, I also say many times, this class is a mental gym. We are giving a lot of exercises to our mind to think in a different ways. So this is our mental gym. Alhamdulillah. Mata yabda'u tullabu al-juz'a thalisa. Mata yabda'u tullabu al-juz'a thalisa. Bada'a yabda'u. I've written here. Bada'a yabda'u. So yabda'u, when do the students, fa'il of yabda'u, al-juz'a, this is mafulun bihi of yabda'u, and thalisa is the naat. So I ask you something. Let's concentrate on naat. Are they matching? Yes, al and al. Number. Masculine. And yes, they match everything. Case ending, mansub. Yeah. So answer is yabda'una al-juz' al-thalis The students will become, see now, tullabu, here we say yabda'una. So this waw is the file, and waw goes to the tullabu. Yabda'una al-juz'a, mafulun bihi, fi usbu al-kadami, again, majrur. This is beautiful, beautiful. Alhamdulillah. So my brothers and sisters, huwa yabda'u, huma yabdu'ani, hum yabda'una, hum yabda'una, hum yabda'una. Right? So yabda'una fi'lun mudari'un marfu'un bi subutin nun. Where is the file? Wow. That wow goes to tullab. Juz'a mafulun bihi thalisa matches al with al, the number with a number with the case ending, mansub, mansub, and masculine, masculine. Fi came usbui al-kademi. Al matches with usbui al-kademi, definite, it matches in definiteness, and then it is majrur, it matches majrur, not manud are matching, and singular, it is singular, and then being definite and definite. Yeah, all the four conditions are met, inshallah. Alhamdulillah. So this is it. Now, the Hammal, ponder, learn the rules pertaining the adjectives. So, but I write on my own to tell you, you should all write the sentences. You should all write it, write it. Now, brothers and sisters, Indi Mojamun Jayidun. Dr. Abdurrahim is explaining us. Indi Mojamun Jayidun. Huna Jayidun is the naat. But does it match properly? I want to go and check it out. Jayidan is a good, perfect, fine, well. Mojamun singular, singular. Masculine, masculine. Indefinite, indefinite. Marfu, marfu. All four conditions are matched. Please write it if you get time. If you get time. Life can be sometimes very busy. If you get time, I request you to write it. It will benefit you a lot. Now here it says, An-natu yatba'u al-manut fi umur al-atiyati. The following conditions, the naat matches the manut, following conditions. Tabiya yatba'u, to follow, to come after. Fil i'rab. What is the fil i'rab? Case ending. This will come in the first lesson, first page of book 3. It will come al-i'rab. Case ending. Case ending. Now means we don't pronounce the ma there. We say nah. So it is nahwu. Nahwu. Such as, it means, for example, such as haza kitabun jadidun sina. So here, masculine, masculine, indefinite, indefinite, then singular, singular, marfu, marfu, all the conditions are there. Qara'tu kitaban jadidan. See now kitaban, it became jadidan. Again, all the things are there. Singular, singular, masculine, masculine, indefinite, indefinite, mansub, mansub. I'm going in a 4-way to explain you how they are matching, Hadha ismu kitabin jadid. This is the name of the new book. So what is ismu? Is a mudaf ilayhi majrur. This is majrur because it is the naat. Kitabin jadidin, same thing. No al, indefinite. Majrur, majrur, masculine, masculine, singular, singular, fine. Next one is ataskiri wa ta'anisi. It means in gender. Okay. More example, Ahmadu lahu ibnun kabirun. See, ibnun kabirun. Masculine, gender. It says it. Gender is masculine, feminine. Bintun sagiratun. See how changes bintun sagiratun. We cannot say bintun sagirun. No, bintun sagiratun. See, Arabic is very precise, very, very precise, you know. And the way it has been created by Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, it is an exceptional language, you know. Ibnun, kabirun, bintun, sagirun, indefinite, indefinite, marfu, marfu, masculine, masculine, feminine, feminine, all are there, you know. Then number, al-ifradi means singular, but tasniyatu means dual, al-jama means plural. Al-ifrad, singular, al-tasniya, dual, al-jama, plural. Now, lana, we have mudirun salihun. We have a very pious head master or principal. So, mudirun salihun, no al, indefinite, masculine, masculine, marfu, marfu, everything is there. But mudirasani, this is singular, this is dual. So mudirasani jayidani. Again, number, it matches number. Okay, also they are in, both are indefinite. Also they are both marfu. Are they marfu? What is the sign of its marfu? Mudarisani, what is the sign of its marfu? It is the alif. Why? Because it is musanna. Al-alif, when it comes, is the sign of the dual being marfu, and when there's a ya, al-mudarisani, or you can say al-mudarisaini, then this will become jayidaini. So they are matching. But zumalau, zumalau, and the classmates, what are they? Mujtahiduna, matching in every way. Mujtahiduna, this is the na, and hard-working students, you know, it matches. No al, marfu, marfu. Is this marfu? Yes, it's marfu bil waw. Why? Because it is jama mudhakkar salim. This is marfu bil dhamma. This is broken plural, you know, jama taksir. Zumalau mujtahiduna. No al. Ta'rifi wa tankiri. Ta'rifi wa tankiri. Being definite and indefinite. Ta'rifi is being definite and tankiri is being indefinite. In the, okay, what do you have? What do I have? In the sayaratun jadidatun. See? Sayaratun jadidatun. But I go more than that. We can see sayaratun jadidatun, but also you see there is no al anywhere. They are singular and they are monas. Sayaratun jadidatun, tun. So this is monas, you know. So then as-sayaratul jadidatu. Oh, see how clever Dr. Abdurrahim is in creating these dialogues and these hiwars. As-sayaratu al-jadidatu. Definite, definite. Marfu, marfu. Muannas, muannas. Did you get the idea? Inshallah. Galiyatun. The new car is expensive. Aina Muhammadun al-Yabani. You see, Muhammadun al-Yabani. You will say, I don't see al in front of Muhammad. No, Muhammad is a definite noun, it's a name of a person, so it is without al is definite. Muhammadun is a definite. So al-Yabaniyu, same thing, this is the naat, that's definite. Now, here comes another one. Hati, hati, give. This is Amar, don't worry about it. Just remember, it says give. Hati daftaraka al-awwala. Are they matching? Daftaraka awwala. Are they matching? Hati, there's a mansub. This is mansub, mafulun bihi of hati, daftara. Ka, mudaf ilayhi, al-awwala. So how are they matching each other? I can see here, there's a al here, but there is no al here. Is there a mistake? No. Daftaraka is mudaf ilayhi. So because the damir is a definite, so daftara became definite. So when you were al daftaraka, no, you cannot say al daftaraka. When you say daftaraka, your notebook, then it is definite. Definite. Your notebook is a definite. So I wrote down a question here for you. Is daftaraka definite? Yes. Why? Because it is mudaf to the damir, which is definite. Damirs are all definite. So we cannot say al daftaraka, al daftaraka. No, that would be wrong. Daftara is definite. There's no need to put al. It will be incorrect. So then if there is definite here, then this is also definite here. See, if daftara is definite, then this is definite. And then if it is mansub, they are both mansub, case ending. They are muzakkar, of course they are muzakkar. They are singular, they are singular. Matches, matches, matches. Alhamdulillah. Write the naat in blue and man'ut in red. Okay? We have to see it and we have to now when it says write the naat in blue and man'ut in red, I've done my own coloring here. But I'm also asking you, requesting you, please write the sentences, the whole sentence. Write the whole sentence. Uridu, I want, what do you want? An ashraba, no, this is your mafulun bihi for masdar muawwal, for uridu. And then ma'an, this is mafulun bihi for uridu. What is ma'an? Ma'an is a mafulun bihi for ashraba. Ma'an, baridan is the naat. So then you will write the baridan in blue and then in red. Ma'an baridan. Akra'u, I read. What do I read? Al-Qur'ana. Mafulun bihi. Al-Qur'ana. What is this Al-Karim? This is the naat for the Quran. Al-Quran Al-Karim. Glorious Quran. Al-Quran Al-Karim. The glorious Quran. So this is mafulun bihi for akra'a. Qur'ana is your naat. And no, mafulun bihi. Qur'ana is a mafulun bihi. And naat is here Al-Karim. So I've given here sign of red and the sign of blue. Baridan is naat Karim is a naat. This is manut, this is manut. Kulla sabahin, every morning. This is zarf. Kulla is zarf. Actually, the zarf is sabahin. But when kulla comes, it becomes mansub. Because zarfs are all mansub. Then this is mudaf ilayhi. But if you don't have kul here, then sentence will be like this. Aqra'u al-Quran al-Karima sabahan, in the morning. Sabahan. But here kulla took the place of sabaha, so it became mansub, and this is mudaf ilayhi. All these things I'm telling you, if you understand, alhamdulillah. But if you don't understand, I will still say alhamdulillah. Don't worry, we are going to work hard, very hard. I'm going to work very hard to explain you and make you proficient. I would say in my own way, to make you all champions of the rules of the language of the Quran, so that we can understand the Quran in depth, in its original text, inshallah. Askunu, I live. Sakana yaskunu, askunu, I live. Fi baytin jamilin, see? Fi baytin jamil, I live in a beautiful house, in a beautiful house. Baytin jamilin. So this is your naat. This is your man'ut, man'ut. Here is dual. The doctor is very clever, he can easily confuse us, you know. La taktuba. What is this taktuba? I will explain you, so that you have an idea. Taktubani. Taktubani. Taktubani means two people are writing. That thing is amar. It's actually la nahiya, which is tufidu amar. I will write down here. La nahiyatu, nahiyatun tufidu amar. See, the la nahiya, which is jazimun also, you can say nahiyatun wa jazimatun. Tufidu, indicate. Tufidu means to indicate. To indicate an amar. So here it is taktubani. We can say, I want to go in detail with you. Antum, anta, taktubu bi kalamil ahmari. Antuma, taktubani bil kalamil ahmari. Okay, so here, dual taktubani comes la in front of it. It changed the la, changed into taktuba. Noon was dropped. Noon was dropped to make it majzum. So now that's the way we are. La taktuba. Made la nahiya, made it majzum. This is now majzum. La taktuba. Don't write. This is amar. La taktuba. Don't write. Bil kalamil ahmari. Bil kalamil ahmari. Same. Not manut. Fi hayyina, in our district, in our locality, in our suburb. Fi hayyina masjidun kabirun. See, masjidun kabirun, not manut. Masjidun is the marfu, kabirun marfu, no al, muzakkar, singular, fi hayyina, masjidun kabirun, lahu manaratani, jamilatani. See, the Dr. Abdurrahim has to use duals also to continue teaching us duals also. Masjidun kabirun lahu manaratani jamilatani, manaratani jamilatani, masjidun kabirun manaratani jamilatani, sinat. Dual. Marfu with both of alif are there. Masculine. Number. Marfu, inshallah. Aina al-mudarrisun al-jududu. Where are the new teachers? See, al-mudarrisun al-jududu. This is the naat. Jududu is the naat. So that is why it has got al, and it has got dhamma at the end. Jududu al-mudarrisuna. There is no dhamma there in mudarrisuna. Why? Because it is marfu bil waw. Waw is the sign of making a jama mudhakkar salim marfu. Al mudarrisun, mudarrisani, then mudarrisuna. So there is a waw is the sign of its being marfu. Alhamdulillah. Hafiztu, I memorized. What did you memorize? Surataini. See, again, jewels are coming. Surataini. Tawilataini. So surataini is mansub. The mafulun bihi. Surataini. So I have to have a naat, which is also mansub. Fine. Tawilataini is the naat. Tawilataini. Surataini. Tawilataini. No al in them. And then they are dual, they are mansub, both are mansub. They are muannas, surataini. They are muannas, so everything is muannas here. Hum rijalun salihun. They are pious men. Rijalun salihun. Matching. Rijalun, no al here. Marfu, they are both marfu. Rijalun, lun, marfu. Salihun, where is the sign of marfu there? Where is the sign of marfu there? Sign of marfu is the salihun. Watch it, brothers and sisters. I'm writing it to explain you properly. Salihani. Did you get the idea? Salihani, and then this should make it very clear to you. Salihuna. Salihuna. We don't write sukun normally, but I'm just writing it to just let you understand. Singular, salihun, marfu. It's marfu. Marfu. Okay. Salihani, is it marfu? Dual? Is it marfu? What is the sign of its marfu? Maybe I should put it here, the sign. The sign of marfu is alif, because it is dual. Salihan. And then salihuna. Is it marfu? I don't see anything. Yes, it's marfu. How can it be marfu? Because this is jama mudhakkar salim. What is it? Jama muzakkar Salim. So when Jama Mudhakkar Salim comes, it is always marfu bil wow. Dual is marfu bil alif. Yeah. And then make it dual, make it mansub and majrur. It will become salihina. No, salihaini. I beg your pardon. I will write down here. Sali. I'm doing this to give you an deeper understanding. Salihaini. Okay. And then I will make here also Sali. Salihun, Salihani, Salihun, Salihuna, Sali. Here I'm getting Salihuna. Because I don't want to make it Salihuna. Salihuna. My mind is today not as active as I would like it to be active. I will tell you, inshallah, in 2 minutes here, I will tell you. So see here, this is dual. Salihina, Salihaini, Salihaini. This is Salihani, Salihani, Salihuna. And then this is plural. I will inshallah tell you in a minute. Salihuna, Mudarisuna, Mudiras, Mudarisuna, Mudiras, Mudarisuna, Mudiras. Inshallah, I will tell you. Aina akhuka as-sagiru. So Salihuna is marfu bil waw. I just could not recollect in my mind. Salihuna is marfu bil waw. That is why Rijalun Salihuna. This matches properly. Yes, I think it should be 1 second, brother. It will be Salihina. 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 This will be Majrur and Mansub will be Salihina. So this is Marfu bil waw and Majrur and Mansub bil ya. So this, inshallah, should make it clear. Salihuna, Salihina. Because of the ya came, so it became Salihina. You cannot have Dhamma here. Salihina. So Al-Mu'minuna Jama. Al-Mu'minina Jama. Al-Mu'minina Jama. Did you get the idea? Inshallah. Salihina. Yeah, now it is clear. Okay, you have to pardon me, my brothers and sisters. Sometimes my mind gets numb sometimes, you know. Aina akhuka sagiru, see, akhuka sagiru, as-sagiru, is akhu marfu? There's no al there? Yes, because it is mudaf and this is mudaf ilayhi. Aina akhuka, your brother, where is your younger brother? Kala laka, madha kala laka. What did the say something to you? Who was that? Madha kala laka, madha kala laka. Maza Kala Laka Ahmadu al-Pakistani you. See, there's no al here, but that is definite because it's a proper noun. It's definite. Al-Pakistani you. So there's no need to put al-Ahmadu here. Kala Laka. What did the Kala? This is the file of Kala. Kala Ahmadu al-Pakistani you. What did he say to you? Fine. Alhamdulillah. That is it. This is the last exercise. We are done with it. Then we start our new journey. Oh, gosh. So here we have fill in the blanks in each of the following sentences with suitable adjectives. So you got to fill in the blanks with the suitable adjectives. Suitable adjectives. And I'm requesting you again and write the sentences. And write the sentences. Fine. So we have here, brothers and sisters, Akaltu, I ate. Fine. What did you eat? Ta'aman, the food, a dish or something. Akaltu ta'aman. How was it? Lazizan. See, ta'aman mansub, lazizan mansub, muzakkar, muzakkar, singular, singular, indefinite, indefinite, all are there. Akaltu ta'aman lazizan. Wa sharibtu, and I drank kahwatan haratan. See, here is muannas haratan. Mansub, mansub. Indefinite, indefinite. Muannas, muannas. Singular, singular. Aina tullabul jududu. See, jududu matches the tullabu. Aina al tullabu al jududu. Li, I have. What do you have? Akhawani, I have two brothers. And then Kabirani. Li akhwani kabirani, two older brothers. I have two older brothers. Akhwani kabirani matches. Dual, dual. Marfu, marfu. Masculine, masculine. And Mudhakkar, mudhakkar. Wa ukhtani muannas sagiratani. See, ukhtani sagiratani. Ukhtani sagiratani. Ukhtani sagiratani. Matches, everything matches. Marfu because of the alif. And then muannas, yes, muannas matching muannas. Dual, dual. I said marfu, marfu. Alif marfu. And then dual and dual. Indefinite, indefinite, fine. Ishtaraitu, I bought. Kalamaini, I bought 2 pens. Jamilaini, see. Jamilaini matches kalamaini in every way. Mansub, mansub. Mafulun bihi. This is the naat for mafulun bihi. Kalamaini, jamilaini. Beautiful sentences. Please, if you get time, write them. It will increase you in your understanding and greatly, you'll become stronger and stronger in Naat Manut also, inshallah. Kalimaini, jamilaini. In the, so see, kalimaini, dual, dual. Now here, in the sa'atun, singular, jamilatun, singular, muannas, muannas, indefinite, indefinite, every way, marfu, marfu, in every way, it is there for us to figure out. So in the sa'atun, so I have to just say jamilatun. That's fine. Fil fasli, in the class, there are desks, for the students, makatibu kadimatun. Or you can say jadidatun. Why do I want to say in my class there are old desks? I want to say there are new desks. Alhamdulillah. So now, is it matching here? I can see here it is marfu with dhamma. Here it is dhamma dual dhammatani. So now, why there is a ta marbuta here? How does it matches? Because makatibu is a kullu jama muannas. So this is a muannas. And that is why the naat has to be singular muannas. Kadimatun. Did you get my point? How it matches? Makatibu is a kullu jama muannas. So this is actually treated as a muannas. So the naat has to be muannas. And if it is makatibu, because it is mamnu min sarf, makatibu, makatiba, so then it is kadimatun, makatibu, kadimatun. Had it been makatiba, then we would have said kadimatan, like that. Okay. So this is matching, but it is not clearly how it matches, but it is matches. If you understand, this is a broken plural. So kullu jama mu'annas. So this is mu'annas. Alhamdulillah. Tilka sayaratu al-hamra'u. Oh, I want to ask you this question, my brother. Tilka sayaratu al-hamra'u. I'm making it a little bigger. That is it. The last thing. Tilka. Whether this is your mubtada. What is it? Mubtada. As-sayaratu. What is sayaratu? My brothers and sisters. Tilka sayaratu. Remember, ismu ishara followed by al, and the noun. The noun has al. So this is your badal for tilka sayaratu. Al-hamra'u. Al-hamra'u. This is muannas. As-sayyaratu. Al-hamra'u. So al here, it is muannas. This is also muannas. Ahmaru became hamra'u, muannas. So this is your mubtada, this is your badal, and this is your naat for the sayaratu lil mudarrisi, the jar majrur, shibu jumra, khabar, lil mudarrisi, for the teacher. There's a naat coming here, al jadidi, lil mudarrisi, al jadidi. Now does it match? Yes, al mudarrisi, jadidi, muzakkar, singular matches in every way. Again, I say, tilka sayaratul hamara'u lil mudarrisil jadidi. Beautiful sentence, Askunu, I live fil mahjai, hostel, al-kadimi. I live in an old hostel built before, long time ago. Askunu fil mahjail kadimi. Al-mahjai, al, fi, because fi, majrur, mahjai, al-kadimi, then muzakkar, singular, matches in every way. Aina sayaratuka al-yabaniyatu. Okay, bye. Here we have al. We don't have al here. Why? Why? We learned it just a little while ago. I'll explain you again. Sayyaratuka is mudaf, mudaf ilayhi. Where is it? Mudaf, mudaf ilayhi. Okay, so here, Sayyaratu, ka is a damir. They are all definite. So the mudaf is definite. We cannot put al unless you remove ka. If you remove ka and say aina sayaratu al yabaniyatu, then that will be fine. At sayaratu al yabaniyatu without ka. But if you have ka, then al is to be there. It is estimated to be there. It is definite. This is definite. And this is definite. Aina sayaratuka al yabaniyat. Where is your Japanese car? Where is your Japanese car? Ibrahimu al-Amrikiyu. Now see, al-Ibrahimu, al-Amriku. Why there is no Ibrahim, there is no al? Because this is proper name. There is no, you cannot have al. So al-Ibrahimu, marfu, marfu, definite, definite, singular, singular, muzakkar, muzakkar, all these four, my brothers and sisters. And then al-Amriki you, that is the naat for Ibrahim. Ibrahim, the American, Ibrahim from America, is talibun, mujtahidun. See, talibun, marfu, mujtahidun, marfu, no al here, singular, singular, masculine, masculine. Did you get the idea? Ibrahim al-Amrikiyu, talibun, mujtahidun. Alhamdulillah. Alhamdulillah, we completed it, my brothers and sisters. I hope you enjoyed it. I tried to explain it in detail, very much detail, my brothers and sisters. I tried to explain you in detail, very much. I hope just to give you a good understandings. But I did get I was confused myself. Salihuna, Salihina, I could not think properly. Sometimes it can happen. You will pardon me if it happens. Inshallah, Allah will help me. It won't happen again. Fine. Now, brothers and sisters,